Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel guys. So for today's video guys, and mag-unbox tayo ng Space Molly Lamborghini. So huwag na nating patagalin guys at buksan na natin ang ating Mega Space Molly. Okay, I will unbox with Sky tomorrow. Okay. Yun yung binulong niya. Okay, we will unbox with Sky tomorrow guys. Ayan sinasabi ni Sky sa tenga ko. So huwag na nating patagalin at buksan na natin kung anong laman sa loob ng ating Mega Space Molly. So check natin yung harap, Pop-Mart pa rin. Yung typical na box nila. At yun pa rin yung nakalagay guys sa loob. Walang nagbabago, walang something new. Kundi yung nakalagay lang ay Lamborghini. Yan sa side. Tapos ito yung itsura ng kanyang card. So ito na guys, ang moment of truth natin. Sit down, dali. 1, 2, 3. Wala na siyang something. Pero bago to guys, dahil ang kanilang lalagyan ulit ay hindi na naka-plastic, kundi yeah, oh, you get it. I'm gonna show it to them first, okay?
No, I gotta show it to them. Can I show
Ang ganda ng color nito guys, oh.
Can I show it to them?
Yeah, show it to them. It's green and black at may nakalagay na 63.
Can I
Show it to them. Okay, go. Show it to them.
And look at these guys. And it's a green and black in it.
Oh, okay. Oh, you hold it for me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So dito na tayo guys dahil excited na akong makita kung anong laman sa loob. So,
Pew,
ito.
pew,
Wait
pew.
lang. Tanggalin lang natin yung mga...
Pew, 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 pew.
Yan. So ito, lagay ko na sa gilid agad.
Pew.
At ito na
Very
siya.
soft. Not too soft.
Yeah, not too soft, but are we ready? Yes or no?
This.
Yes.
The Mega Space Molly stuff.
1, 2, 3! Woo! Ang ganda ng pagka-green nito guys. Para talagang kulay ng sasakyan. Glittery yung pagkatinignan niya siya guys. Glittery siya. Wait lang, tanggalin muna natin yung mga something.
Papa.
Oh, I'm gonna show it to them first, okay? So, first impression guys, nagbago na ang helmet ng Space Molly. Iba na yung tunog. Yan, napakalinis na. Tapos, ito guys, yung helmet niya color green at may nakalagay na mata. Grabe, ganda. Para talaga siyang sasakyan. So, tinatranslate ni Sky yung sinasabi ko. So, ito guys, pagka nilagay natin, ganyan, mukha siyang driver. Tapos, lalagay natin yung sa may bandang kamay niya. Yan, lalagay na natin yung baril. So, nakatabingi talaga lahat ng ng Space Molly. Yan, sa harap guys, may nakalagay na Automobili Lamborghini sa kanyang badge. Yan. Tapos, yung bandang kamay niya, ayan, parang futuristic guys yung dating.
Like this or this.
I like them both. Okay? Pagka inikot natin guys,
You like the Minnie Mouse and I like this.
you like that?
No, I like this.
Okay.
And you like this.
Okay. So, ito guys, ang nakakatuwa dito,
Mommy will.
yung likod niya ay may tires. Ayan, gumagalaw-galaw yung tires guys. Ayan.
Why is Molly have tires?
Yeah. Because it's a Lamborghini.
Lamborghini.
Yeah.
And then he's put the tires on his gun and then he's put it back
Ito
here.
yung itsura ng sides niya guys. Ito yung itsura ng tenga niya. May design na parang octagon. Tapos, ito yung likod niya.
But how to open?
Later na. Wait, it's not opening na.
Wow.
It's fixed.
Fix.
Yeah.
Why is it fixed?
Gusto ko yung octagon pero hindi 8 sides yung...
Ano ba? Di pala, sorry. Ano ba to? Ano nga to? Hexagon.
Molly.
So ito yung itsura ng paa niya guys. May nakalagay na licensed by Automobili Lamborghini. Yan, nakalagay sa paa.
Hello Lamborghini.
Ang pinaka natuwa ako dito guys, yung kulay niya is color green
Hello
na glittery na
Lamborghini.
parang may halong color yellow na glitters. Pagka tinignan nyo siya, parang glittery gold na green and gold yung combination. Yan.
Can I
Do you
see-
like this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I see the face?
Yeah, sure. O ito guys yung itsura ng face niya. Color green yung eyes. Wala na masyadong detail sa eyes. Yan.
Wow,
Yan yung signature.
Papa, you awesome.
Sa Tapos guys, nakalagay sa likod, Automobili Lamborghini, tapos yung taillights ng sasakyan. So kung nagustuhan nyo guys ang ating unboxing video, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, at mag-share ng ating YouTube channel. So paano guys? Bye-bye!
June.
Yun!
Bye.
Bye!
Bye, guys. Luca.